Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if Battlefield 6 won't launch on your PC, don't panic because in today's quick guide, I will show you the easiest fixes to get the game running again. Without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, in our fix 1, you need to simply try to run the game as an administrator. So right click on the Battlefield 6 icon, then click on the option of Run as Administrator. This often solves the permission related issues instantly. Now if this issue doesn't fix, you can just simply launch your Steam powered launcher. Over here, go to the library section and right next to the Battlefield, simply go to the properties. In your properties, you need to tap on the option of verify game files. This will repair anything that is corrupted, that is stopping the game from starting. You can also try updating your graphics driver. For example, let's say in my PC, I have NVIDIA graphic drivers. So you can simply open the NVIDIA's application. Then you can go to the drivers section. Over here, you will see the option of game ready driver and you can click on this circle option in order to check for the update. If you find any of the graphic related update over here, simply click on the option of install and install your latest drivers. So sometimes the outdated drivers are the one of the biggest reasons that your new games fail to launch. Now you can also repair easy anti-cheat. For that you need to go to the BF6 installation folder. Then you can open the easy anti-cheat folder, run the setup and click on the option of repair. This usually fixes the launch crashes. And that's it. These are some of the quickest fixes for Battlefield 6 not launching on your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.